Hey everyone, welcome to Southern Seasons. My name is Jody, and I am so glad that you have joined me today. If you love decorating, DIYs, thrifting, and tablescapes, then this is the channel for you. Today's video, I'm going to be finishing up the spring decorating in my dining room by adding some touches of spring to my hutch and doing a tablescape. So, shall we get started? Now here are the items that I'm going to be using for my tablescape. I have my chargers and all my plates here. I'm going to be doing a centerpiece with the two bunnies and that little decorative box right there. The first thing I'm going to be doing is the centerpiece. So I'm going to be adding this little French country shabby chic box over here. Something I got from Gordman's many years ago. And I'm going to be placing my favorite ceramic bunny. I just love this bunny. I got him from Home Goods many years ago. I also have one that kind of coordinates with him. A little bit smaller. He is from Home Goods too. And I'm just going to be placing him next to the box. I might have to do a little tweaking here. So all I'm going to be doing is adding some greenery, some of those pink and salmon tulips, and I'm also going to be adding a bird's nest. So I'm going to start in this little area right here by adding a little bit of greenery, some of the tulips. I'm going to take a few more pieces of the greenery and lay them on top of the tulips here. Okay. And then I'm going to be adding this cute bird's nest. I'm going to tuck that in right here. And I think I'm just going to use a couple pieces of the tulips. Kind of tuck in back behind here because the bunny looks like he's kind of holding all this up. So he's going to be holding the bird's nest and a few tulips here. Now I have a few more tulips left and some greenery, so I'm just going to tuck in a piece back here between the bunny and the box and some more of the tulip pieces. And I'm going to fix this just a little bit. All right. So you know the big bunny looks like he needs to hold something. He has an opening there. So let's go ahead and put a little bit more greenery. Just tuck that in right here. And a couple more pieces of the tulips. I thought about him holding some carrots, but I'm kind of trying to stick with the pink and salmon color in here. I also thought about making a few little French country carrots, but I never did get around to it, but I might do that and change it up. All right, so that is all I'm doing for the centerpiece. So now I'm going to start on the tablescape. The first thing I am doing is putting my chargers around. I love this color of green. I got these from Pier 1 many years ago. And they are wood. They're very lightweight. They have that perfect color of lime green. That is great for spring. Okay. And I am using my harness here that holds my camera. Testing it out. Hopefully it's not too jumpy doing this. Okay, so now these are done, I'm going to be adding the next plate, which are these pink melamine plates, and these are from Pier 1 also. I love the scallop look to it, and I think they coordinate quite well with the tulips on here. So I'm just going to finish up going around the table with the rest of these plates. And I got one more to go. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the next plate, and what I'm going to be using is my white ironstone plates that were my mother's. These are the salad plates that I'm using. And since I'm kind of going with pink, green, and white, I thought I'd have some white in here. Actually, I'm using 2 white plates. But this is the next one. And I love these. I love to use them all year round. I think they look best at spring and Christmas because I love the little design around the edges of them. Okay. And we got 2 more to go here. And the last one. So now I'm going to be using those little bread plates that I've recently found at Goodwill. And the pattern is called Springtime. And I think they're perfect for in here. I think they coordinate quite well with the pink and the green, because it does have green, but the flowers are white. But I still think, you know, it's really dainty looking, these flowers. I love these. I wish I could get some of the plates too. Unfortunately, all they had were the bread plates there. And we'll finish up the last 2. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the napkins. And I'm going to be using 2 napkins. And the first one here is my script one, which says Hippity Hop. I got these from Pier 1 many years ago. And I'm also going to use these with a little bling to it with the pearls. This is from Pier 1, and I am not ironing my napkins here because I'm just going to bunch them up. And I'm going to use this really blingy napkin ring, another piece from Pier 1. Just going to do it real quick like this, nothing fancy. Pull it down, fluff it up a little bit, and set it on the plate here. So, gotta fluff it up a little bit more. Hold on, sorry about that. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, I have all the others on there. And I chose these blingy things because of my chandelier up here, and I showed you the rim around those plates have the platinum rim. So I think it looks perfect with some bling. So now I'm going to add the silverware and the glasses. And this is all I'm going to do for the tablescape. I don't want to add anything else on here. So let's go around the table and check it out real quick. Let's just check out this bunny one more time. You know, I think he has the cutest little face on him. And we'll go to the other side of the table here. And we'll check out the other bunny too. He's cute also. I love these bunnies. I love how you can see the fur on them, how they've done that. That's really cute. All right, so now the tablescape is done. I got to finish my decorating over here on the hutch. Now I went ahead and just added some more of the tulips, just popped them in here and there, but I also want to add a few bird's nests in here. And of course I need to decorate the lower part of the hutch here. Now I put in a few bird's nests. I have one up here, I have one right here, and I have one more down here. I think this looks really pretty, and I've removed everything on here that I didn't want to use, and I want to add this bunny here. I think he's another really cute bunny. He is from Home Goods also, and this little terracotta pot with the moss on it I got from Goodwill many years ago. So I'm just tucking in a little bit of greenery here because this is another one of those bunnies that holds things, and a few pieces of the tulips. I also want to add a few more pieces of the greenery, just kind of between his feet and the pot here. And then again, I will add some more tulips down here. So I'll just finish tucking in the tulips here. This one's not wanting to cooperate with me. Shove that little thing in there. Fluff it up a little bit. Yeah, I might play with that later. I also want to add some tulips here and some tulips there. So I'm just going to spread this little tulip bush out and tuck it in here. Kind of play with it a little bit. And over here I'm going to do the same thing. Just spread it out and tuck it in. Say, oops, one of them fell off. I'll get that fixed here in a minute. Now I want to put a bird's nest over here on this candy dish. This is the same as what is on the table. I'm also going to use these salmon colored pip berries. I used some of these on the buffet on my last video. I'm going to tuck a couple in underneath the nest. I'm going to have to bend these just a little bit so they go in right. Then I also have those green berries that I also used over on the buffet. I'm going to tuck a couple of those in behind the nest too. I'm going to play with this a little bit. Okay. And the last one, I think, tuck in down here. Okay. All right, so that is all that I'm going to do to the hutch. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out how the whole room looks now. We'll start right here, go over to the hutch, and see how everything looks as a whole. One of these days I'm going to figure out what to do in the chair area. We're going to go over here, just kind of look over here really quick, and we'll check out the table one more time. I really love the centerpiece. I love these little bunnies. They are so cute. And let's go over to the buffet and check it out again. And we'll come over here and look at the cabinet. And you know, Mr. Bunny told me he really wants to stay in the dining room, but I told him he's going to be hopping over to the kitchen really soon, because I think he'll look great on my island. All right, that is it for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I appreciate a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would just love for you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell to get all the notifications of my new videos that will be coming up. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.